Hold on to your seats, because Elon Musk has shocked the auto world once again. Get ready for not just one, not two, but 5 new Tesla models set to hit the roads in 2023. If you've been following the industry closely, you'll know that Tesla has been shaking things up in recent years, with their top-performing luxury cars like the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. These vehicles have not only taken over the US luxury car category, but they've also topped the EV charts in California. Tesla is now the second best-selling car brand in the state, only behind Toyota. With a lineup of 5 impressive cars and plans to produce over 1.37 million electric vehicles annually, Tesla is leaving their competitors in the dust. But that's not all, as Elon Musk and his company have even bigger plans for 2023. He's announced the launch of not 1, not 2, but 5 new vehicle models for the year. Despite past missed deadlines, Elon is determined to launch all of these new models on time. So what can we expect from Tesla in 2023? In this video, we'll explore every new model that you can hope to see from Tesla in the coming year. So without further ado, let's see what the auto world has in store. Number 1. The Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck may look like it's from another planet, but it's equipped with features that could give the top-selling pickup trucks a run for their money. The Cybertruck boasts a sharp-edged exterior made of scratch and dent-resistant stainless steel, making it seriously tough. It's also an all-electric truck with available all-wheel drive, which can tow up to 14,000 pounds and has an estimated driving range of over 500 miles. The cheapest model starts at $39,900, while the most expensive model can cost $69,900, and will come with 3 electric motors that mean quicker acceleration, longer driving range, and greater towing capacity. The Cybertruck's performance capabilities are impressive. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, and has an adjustable air suspension that can provide up to 16 inches of ground clearance. Its towing capacity is higher than popular alternatives, such as the Ram 1500, and every Cybertruck can also haul 3,500 pounds in its 6.5-foot cargo bed. Although the Cybertruck's cabin is minimalistic, it offers a spacious interior with a slab-like dashboard dominated by a large touchscreen. Its squared-off steering wheel is illuminated, and the truck can seat up to 6 people while offering 100 cubic feet of cargo volume. The truck also has a nifty slide-out tailgate that doubles as a ramp to load 4-wheelers and motorcycles. The Cybertruck comes with Tesla's controversial self-driving autopilot feature, and a full self-driving option is available for $7,000. Safety features are yet to be confirmed, but interested buyers can visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites for crash test results. Tesla has delayed the truck's production timeline several times, but CEO Elon Musk has recently promised that the truck will be out in 2023. With its futuristic design and impressive capabilities, the Cybertruck is set to change the game in the pickup truck market. Number 2. The Tesla Semi. In 2017, Elon Musk unveiled the Tesla Semi, a groundbreaking electric truck designed to take on the commercial trucking market. Equipped with an autopilot function, the Tesla Semi offers semi-autonomous driving and safety features to make long journeys easier for truckers. Tesla claims that the Semi can save operators over $200,000 in fuel costs over 2 years, thanks to its maintenance-friendly design. With a range of 300 to 500 miles per charge, the Tesla Semi's 4 independent motors provide unparalleled traction control for added stability. Tesla promises a game-changing battery capable of charging 80% in 30 minutes, enough to cover 400 miles of range. While the battery's weight and charging time remains a mystery, Tesla has stated that its goal is to make long-range trucking more efficient and sustainable. The Tesla Semi also offers semi-autonomous driving features, including lane keeping, collision warnings, and emergency braking. The enhanced autopilot system allows the Semi to monitor its surroundings and help drivers remain safe. While not fully self-driving, the Tesla Semi offers a range of advanced safety features that could revolutionize the trucking industry. With 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 5 seconds, and the ability to carry up to 80,000 pounds, the Tesla Semi offers badass performance with less than 2 kWh per mile. Tesla claims that the Semi's design, with a 0.36 drag coefficient, makes it more aerodynamic than a standard truck, with side flaps to improve efficiency. The Tesla Semi's sleek design includes a central driver position, maximizing visibility and control for the driver. The low center of gravity offers rollover protection in an accident. The cost of a Tesla Semi will be around $150,000 to $180,000, with a $20,000 upfront payment required. Tesla also offers a limited edition Founders Series model, priced at $200,000 and equipped with its special trim. The Tesla Semi is poised to revolutionize the trucking industry, offering a sustainable, high-performance, and safe option for long-haul trucking. With its advanced features and impressive performance, the Tesla Semi is a game-changer for the commercial trucking market. Number 3. The Tesla Robovan. Tesla, the pioneering electric car company, is once again looking to the future with the potential development of a highly configurable Robovan. CEO and techno king Elon Musk took to Twitter to propose the idea, suggesting that the new vehicle could be used for both people and cargo transportation. Musk's tweet was not just an idle musing, as he provided specific details suggesting the idea has some merit. The van could use Tesla's full self-driving robot to drive autonomously once approved, and could potentially feature an optional solar power canopy that extends both sides of the van, tripling the roof area. While Tesla is already busy with futuristic projects like the Cybertruck and the Optimus robot, there are indications that a Robovan could be in the works. Auto Forecast Solutions previously suggested that Tesla could introduce a large commercial van in 2024, and depending on how the rollout of the Cybertruck goes, the van could share a platform with that vehicle. In response to comments on Twitter about the van's design, Musk suggested that any new vehicle should have a futuristic look, similar to that of the Cybertruck. This aligns with Tesla's brand image, which has always been associated with innovation and forward thinking. A highly configurable Robovan could have many potential applications. For example, it could be used for deliveries, as it could autonomously transport goods from one location to another. It could also be used as a shuttle service for people, allowing them to transport multiple passengers simultaneously. Adding a solar power canopy would make the Robovan even more appealing, allowing the vehicle to recharge using solar energy. This would be especially useful for delivery vehicles that spend much of the time on the road, as it would reduce the need for frequent charging stops. Number 4. The Tesla Roadster. The all-electric automaker's sports car made a splash when it first hit the market in 2008, but has since been overshadowed by the Model S and Model X. However, Tesla plans to bring back the Roadster with a vengeance, promising more performance, range, and features than ever before. Originally set to release in 2021, the new Roadster has been delayed, leaving car enthusiasts eagerly awaiting its arrival. The Roadster promises to be a collector's item, with an estimated base price of $200,000 and a limited edition Founder Series for $50,000 more. Tesla CEO Elon Musk claimed that the Roadster could hit 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, with a top speed of over 250 miles per hour. Its 200 kilowatt-hour battery is said to provide up to 620 miles of range, although this number may be lower during high-performance driving. While the Roadster's exterior is sleek and sporty, its minimalist interior is unmistakably Tesla. The large touchscreen display extends from the top of the dash to the center console, and the car is expected to offer onboard Wi-Fi, Spotify integration, and visual entertainment apps such as Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube. The Roadster will come with Tesla's latest driver assistance technology, including automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and available adaptive cruise control with a semi-autonomous driving mode. However, since the Roadster is still just a concept, it has not undergone crash testing by the NHTSA or IIHS. Tesla's standard warranty package includes an 8-year warranty on the car's electric motors and battery pack, but it is not likely to come with a complimentary scheduled maintenance plan. The Tesla Roadster promises to be a high-performance electric sports car that will turn heads. While its release date is still unknown, the Roadster's impressive specs and sleek design make it a car worth waiting for. Number 5. Tesla Robotaxi. Elon Musk announced that the Robotaxi is highly optimized for autonomy and will not have a steering wheel or pedals. Musk hinted at other exciting innovations aiming to achieve the lowest cost per mile and offer a lower cost than riding a bus. The Robotaxi will be unveiled next year, and mass production is planned by 2024, which Musk believes will be a massive driver for Tesla's growth. The Robotaxi network, according to Musk, would be comparable to Uber and Airbnb, with the same unique features that Tesla puts into its cars. Tourists visiting unfamiliar places could find the autonomous Teslas quite useful, as the features allow renting out robotaxi cars for road trips and camping. Moreover, Tesla cars are cheaper to recharge than traditional ICE vehicles, making them an affordable option for long journeys. Tesla is also working on fun, entertaining supercharger stations that might be considered tourist destinations. China has built supercharger stations in some of the most adventurous places, including the base of Mount Everest. However, reaching full autonomy has been challenging for Tesla. During the earnings call, Musk stated that the company's full self-driving tech has been extraordinarily difficult to perfect. To actually solve full self-driving, one must solve real-world artificial intelligence, which no one has done yet, Musk added. Musk is confident that the robotaxi fleet will be a game-changer despite the challenges. Musk said, "There's going to be a dedicated robotaxi that will look quite futuristic-looking. Tesla's new vehicle is optimized for autonomy, aiming to achieve the lowest fully considered cost per mile or kilometer, making it an exciting and unique product. Get ready for a thrilling ride into the future with Tesla's robotaxis." And there you have it, 5 new Tesla models set to shake up the auto world in 2023. With their advanced technology, impressive performance, and sleek designs, these new models are sure to turn heads and make a lasting impact on the industry. Which one are you most excited to see on the road? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest automotive news.